So now comes the concept of encapsulation. Encapsulation of what? Data. Data and methods. There are concepts of data. There are elements, data and methods used that we write and use that concept to create our Java files, Java classes. Java is all about classes. I will come to classes eventually, but talking about encapsulation, encapsulation is enclosing, enclosing of uh, the uh, useful elements that we will be that will make up that will make for the bulk of programming, the that will make for the files that we are creating. So we encapsulate, and also there are lots of methods encapsulated already in the built-in software. So therein also data and methods have been encapsulated, that have been abstracted from the high level users, that is us, the human beings. So that is what is encapsulation. Now, how do we encapsulate? With the help of classes. Classes is a keyword in Java that is used to create classes. Okay, inside the classes we have got data and methods. So what is data? Data are basically attributes with values. Attributes with values, like data can be name, okay, name, address can be a data, age can be a data, or student ID can be a data, or any person's Aadhaar card ID supposedly can be a data. So we can have a variable name Aadhaar card and have values associated to that variable name. So if we have a variable Aadhaar card number and equal to the number, the entire Aadhaar card number, say my whatever be the other Aadhaar card number. So that will be a set of data encapsulated within a class, encapsulated within a method or within a class. I will be writing methods and the data and the class to show you how it is structured. I'm just uh, enlightening you with the concept of encapsulation. It has been compacted together. That is encapsulation. Encapsulation and abstraction go hand in hand together. Methods and data can be encapsulated together to abs- uh, to abstract them from the high end users. You know the difference between high end and low end. Low end is something that is processed by the machine level language, and high level language is something that we understand, the human beings understand. So uh, given okay, so encapsulation and abstraction. Now comes uh, inheritance. Inheritance is a concept wherein we inherit from the parent. Properties we inherit from the parent. So In layman terms also you can understand this, that if I inherit from my mother or from my father anything, say I inherit from my mother uh, her music, supposedly, I for example, or inherit the habit of eating chocolates too much, for example. So that is inheritance. So if I use a keyword, the keyword for inheritance, keyword for implementing inheritance in Java is extends. Extends. So if we have got two classes, say, in a file, class A and class B. So we can write it like this, that class B extends class B extends A. I will be showing you the structure as to how we write the code and explain. But for now, I'm just explaining the overview. That is what is inheritance. Now, whatever properties, if B extends A, whatever properties A has got, uh, whatever data methods A has got, will automatically will be accessible to B. B will be able to inherit those properties. This concept is very much used in Java and is very useful in the sense that we needn't repeat code again and again. It helps in reducing code. We keep a lot of things, data, methods in class A, and then B simply extends A to access and manipulate the data to give the output. So this reducing code concept is also much implemented because of abstraction and encapsulation also. We simply encapsulate properties, methods, classes in a file and keep it. And we can make separate Java files, write classes and import this file in the file I am creating now. Then we can create 10 files and import the the first file containing all the valuable information. So that is I have encapsulated all the important part in one file, and I am through classes, of course, in file in classes, and then I use those classes in my subsequent programming in multiple files. So my code has reduced. I need not repeat that set of code in all my classes, all my files again and again. So that is encapsulation, and it helps in reducing code. Providing a much structured and convenient way to navigate through the code. In my place, someone else comes. I simply brief that person about the files, and he or she will be able to access it. So, okay. So, inheritance, encapsulation, and abstraction. And now comes the fourth topic, polymorphism. Okay, regarding inheritance, what I wanted to say was B extends A, right? As I said, if B extends A, class B extends A, we call A the base class, the parent class, and B the one which is extending the child class. The child class extends the base class or the parent class. These are the terminologies that we use while coding and while explaining. So next comes polymorphism.